Good afternoon, everyone. I am Roxanne Glipa and I will discuss the liability of partnership for misappropriation, partnership by Estoppel, and partner by Estoppel. So, when we say misappropriation, it is an act of using or disposing of another's property as if it were one's own or of devoting it to a purpose or use different from that agreed upon. So, dito sa misappropriation, it is an unauthorized, improper, or unlawful use of funds or other property. For example, si A, si B, at C ay magpa-partner. So, without the consent of the other partner, si C, naka-receive siya ng down payment from the customer, then ginamit niya to for personal purposes. That's what we call misappropriation. So in line sa misappropriation, there is what we call estafa, which is punishable under Article 315 of the Revised Penal Code. Estafa is committed with unfaithfulness or abuse of confidence by means of false pretenses or fraudulent acts, though fraudulent means. So dito sa misappropriation, it falls under letter A, with unfaithfulness or abuse of confidence. So, when we say abuse of confidence, there are some requisites under that. So, number one, the offended party has trusted the offender. Ibig sabihin, nagtiwala yung offended party dun sa offender. Then, yung offender na yun, inabuse niya yung trust. Kaya that abuse is facilitated with the commission of the crime. One of the examples ng Staffa case dito sa Philippines is yung kay Liwanag N versus Court of Appeals. Yung nangyari dun sa case na yun, si Liwanag together with Tabligan, they asked Rosales na makijoin sa business, sa partnership nila para makabuo ng business, which is yung buying and selling of cigarettes. Then, napagkasunduan nila na si Liwanag and Tabligan, they are the industrial partners. So, sila yung magbebenta ng cigarettes, while si Rosales naman yung capitalist partner. Siya yung mag-aambag ng pinaka-capital nila. May 40% na commission kapag nabenta yun, then ibabalik pag hindi nabenta. After 2 months, napansin ni Rosales na wala nang update sa kanya yung dalawa. So, ang ginawa ni Rosales, nag-file siya ng case of estafa na naniniwala kasi siya na yung amount na binigay niya is na misappropriate. It was held by the Supreme Court that when money or property have been received by a partner for a specific purpose and he later misappropriated it, such party is guilty of estafa. So, ang nangyari nga, si Liwanag was not acquitted from the crime of estafa since hindi na alam ni Rosales kung ano nang nangyari dun sa binayad niya as capitalist partner and kung ano nang lagay ng business, kung nag-e-exist pa ba. Next is the Article 1824, which states that all partners are liable solidarily with the partnership for everything chargeable to the partnership under Article 1822 and 1823. So dito sa 1824, sinasabi na lahat ng nasa partnership are liable when it comes sa loss, sa injury, or sa penalties. They are all liable kahit you have no direct participation or you have no knowledge na nangyari yung bagay na yun, nakakos kayo ng injury sa ibang tao, then you are also liable. Nabanggit nga dito ang Article 1822 na kung saan nakafocus siya sa partner's wrongful act or omission. Ibig sabihin, nagkaroon ng damages or injury sa third person dahil dun sa maling nagawa or mga responsibilities na hindi ginawa ng co-partners mo. And with that, you are all solidarily liable. You have solidary obligation as partnership. Next article is the Article 1823. One partner acting within the scope of his apparent authority. When they say apparent authority, for example, si A, si B, and C are all partners. Si C, naka-assign siya as cashier or siya yung nagko-collect ng mga bayad from the third person or from the customers. Then, that time, wala si C. So, in behalf of C, si B ang nirepresent niya yung sarili niya as cashier without the consent of C. So, siya ang nakatanggap ng pera. So, ibig sabihin, mayroong apparent authority na, kumbaga, there is another persons in behalf of other partner. Misapplied by any partner while it is in the custody of the partnership. So, katulad nung example kanina, si B, nung nakareceive siya ng money from the other customer or from the third person, ginamit niya pa yun sa personal expenses niya. Imbis na yung ownership ng fund na yon is for the partnership, na i-misapplied niya sa ibang bagay. Solidary liability or solidary obligation. The three articles provide for the solidary liability of all the partners and the partnership to the third persons for the partner's wrongful act or omission or breach of trust acting within the scope of the firm's business or with the authority of his co-partners. So, bakit nga ba may solidary obligation? Because the law protect the third persons na kung saan yung third person na yun is acting in good faith and nag-exert siya ng effort or nag-exert siya ng trust rather dun sa partnership at syempre nag-expect siya ng services or any product na maibabalik din sa kanya ng tama. Partnership by Estoppel arise if all the partners consented to the misrepresentation of a third person who is not a real partner. So when we say estoppel, a bar which precludes a partner from denying or asserting anything contrary to that which has been established as the truth by his own deed or representation, either expressed or implied. So sa partnership by estoppel, ang pinaka focus dito or pinaka sinasabi dito. Example dito sa partnership by Estoppel, si A, si B, and si C are all partners. And biglang pumasok itong si D na kung saan ni-represent niya yung sarili niya sa third person, nakasama siya or kabilang siya sa partners. But alam ng real partners na hindi naman totoo nakasama siya. But hinayaan nilang mangyari yon. So, they are all liable sa third person. So, in that situation, nag-exist yung partnership by estoppel. Dito naman sa partner by estoppel, a person who represents himself or consents to another or other representing him to anyone as a partner, either in the existing partnership or in one that is fictitious or apparent. So, dito, kung kanina si A, si B, and si C have the consent or alam nila na hindi real partner si D, maaaring si A or si B naman ang may consent naman dito sa partner by estoppel. Hindi lahat sila. So, ayun yung example ng partner by estoppel. And that will be all. Thank you.